Do you guys like this hair? Do you like this hair? If you do, then click the link above and click the link in the description box and head over to my second YouTube page where I focus on everything wigs, natural hair and natural beauty, just basically everything hair. So if you guys want to see how I made this wig from start to end, then click the link above. Also, if you want to know how sis got this face baked, then head over to my Instagram. I'll link it down below and I'll link it on the screen somewhere. If y'all want to see how I got this face beat, head over to the gram. But let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, then hey, my name is Natasha Morrison and thank you so much for coming over to my channel. Okay, so today I wanted to do a bit of a different type of videos. Basically, I want to start doing like little girl talks, little pep talks on my YouTube. So today, the first video in this girl talk, pep talk kind of series is going to be talking about how to uplift yourself. You know, say you're in a funk, or say, you know, you've just broken up at a really bad relationship, or maybe, you know, a friendship has come to an end, or you've lost your job and you're really feeling down and out. You know, you start to get into this really negative mind space. Your mind is just like pulling you down into this pit of just sadness and sorrow. I got you. So the first thing I'm going to say is just trying to have a positive mindset about yourself, like affirmations. Like, you do not understand how you are affecting your mind, and how every time you speak negativity into your life about yourself, that this is subconsciously in your mind somewhere. So you have to get into the habit of just speaking positive affirmation. I'm beautiful, I'm kind, I'm strong, I'm caring, I'm loving, I'm a boss, I've got this, an amazing colleague, I'm an amazing friend, I'm an amazing daughter. Just having these positive things to say about yourself is so important. Like, so often we end up saying, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that, oh, I'm stupid, I was so dumb to stay in that relationship, no. Speak positivity. Oh no, I'm so smart, I got out of that, I'm so happy to now that I'm thinking about myself. And that's another thing as well. Just really, I feel like really focusing on your happiness and your well-being and your peace of mind. Like, let me tell you this, if someone is not bringing you peace of mind, if your life is not bringing you peace of mind, then you really need to change something, because there's nothing more important than peace of mind. If something does not bring you peace of mind, let it go, let it go. So affirmations, just speaking positivity into your life. Another thing is, in the morning when you wake up, major key guys, do not go on social medias, do not check your emails, don't go on anything, don't read your messages. Like, literally go onto YouTube and type in motivational videos and listen to a motivational video for at least minimum half an hour. Literally, ever since I've implemented motivational speaking and motivational videos in my like routine, my day-to-day lifestyle, it helps so much. Like, literally, when you wake up, the things you hear, the things you see, you know, your attitude in the morning will determine your attitude throughout the day. So if you wake up and straight away, as soon as you wake up, you're listening to You've Got This, you're listening to Les Brown, you're listening to Lisa Nichols, you're listening to Robert, I can't remember their names, but you're listening to all these amazing motivational people telling you, you've got this, you know, don't take your dreams to the grave. You all of a sudden, you realize in your head, you're like, yeah. Like, every time they say something, you're like, yeah, yes. And even if you're just listening to these videos in the background, your mind will pick up on an important detail in that video, and that will stick with you for the rest of the day, and that will literally help you to feel so much more happier, so much more positive. Because going on social media, straight away you might see something, you might see someone skinny and their body's looking popping, and you'll think, why doesn't my body look like that? You might see someone on holiday thinking, oh, I really need a holiday. No, start your day off by listening to nothing but positive speaking, positive words of affirmations. And also, before you go to bed, an hour before you go to bed, put down your phone, put your phone on DND. DND is my best friend. If you are not in my favorites, DND, you ain't getting through to me, because I'm in a space of pure bliss meditation. This is my time. I don't want to talk to no one. I don't want to be on social media looking at stuff before I go to bed. I'm either reading a book, listening to something positive, or working on something positive, working on my goals, working on my dreams. So before you go to bed and in the morning, it's so important to make sure that you're just in a whole positive space. You're listening to positive things, you're listening to, you know, motivational videos, you're saying these affirmations, saying it to yourself. Put little sticky notes around your room. You're beautiful, you're kind, you're amazing. Do like, what's it called again, Gabrielle? What's that show, Gabrielle? Be Mary Jane. Be like Be Mary Jane. Put your sticky notes up. Another thing as well that has helped me so much to just make me uplifting, make me feel positive, is like listening to music that you love. For me personally, listen to early 2000 R&B, Beyonce, Destiny Child, Alicia Keys, all Boys to Men, Brian McKnight. Like, these are the type of music that really puts me in a really good mood. So whenever I'm feeling down and out, I'm feeling like I'm starting to go down into this pit of sorrow and just sadness, I put something on. I put my Tanisha Kelly on, I put my JoJo on, I put on all these songs that I know are going to uplift me, Bow Wow, Sierra. And it makes me think of the times that were good. It makes me think of the old days. It makes me think of just good memories. And that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you're feeding yourself good memories. Because let me tell you this, sis, let me tell you this. If you are in a space, if you are in a funk and you just stay in that funk, you are going to be dragging yourself down, down, down. You're not going to get any better. You're not going to want to get out of bed. You're going to feel so sad. You're going to feel so down. No. The moment I personally find myself being in a funk or feeling sad or comparing myself or anything negative, I literally do one of these things. Put on the music, put on a motivational video, start saying, oh, you know what, you're awesome, you're great, da, da, da. I know it's not even being like self-absorbed or like just what's the word, vain. Like, if you do not love you, who else is gonna love you? It says if you don't love you, ain't nobody can love you. You need to love yourself first. So making sure you say words of affirmation, just speaking positivity into your life. Another thing as well about speaking positivity and words of affirmation, it is so important to manifest what you want. Write it down in your diary, write down the things that you want, say it out loud, speak these things into existence. Like, I know some things might seem impossible, but if you can see it and you believe it, it can be done. It's up to you to make it happen. So that's another thing as well. Manifesting your dreams, manifesting your goal, listening to music that's going to uplift you, listening to motivational videos that are going to uplift you, words of affirmation. Another important thing as well, I'm going to go way more in depth into this topic once I get further on in this series of like girl talk and pep talk, is the company you keep. You know when your mama used to tell you, you are the company you keep? Baby girl, you are the company you keep. You want to make sure that you have people around you who are not going to feed into that negativity. They're not going to start saying, oh yeah, you're right, you know what I'm saying, oh my gosh, yeah, oh my gosh, you're so right. No, have people around you who are going to be like, sis, get up, go for a run, go do this, go to the gym, come on girl, you got this, you're beautiful, you're kind, you're caring. Have people around you who are going to reassure you and who, like, pick 5 people, no, that's even too many. Pick 3 people who their opinions are the only opinions that matter. Outside of those 3 people, anything anyone else says to you does not count for nothing. Nothing that is squid, nothing at all. Another thing as well, which I think is important in a positive life and just making yourself feel good when you're in a funk, because I know it's so easy to get stuck into that downward spiral like this and this, and literally you get to a space where you even feel like, can I even get out of this funk? Sis, you can. Another thing that I personally love to do, a hobby, I'm gonna call it a hobby. My hobby is going to the gym. You might like to play football, play basketball, you might go running, you might go swimming, whatever physical activity you like to do, do it. Whenever I go to the gym, I feel good about myself. I feel like I'm working towards my body goal, and also it just makes me feel really, really good. I don't know what it is about going to the gym. It just, after a good gym session, you just feel like, yes, like I can see that booty growing, I can see my arms, you know, my back is getting snatched, no more back fats, no more love handles. No, but seriously, like when you go to the gym, there's something about the gym, and I think it's like a hormone releases when you're in the gym. Girl, I don't even know, I ain't gonna try to get technical like that, but just any physical activity, it doesn't necessarily have to be the gym. It might be meditating at home, it might be going for a run, it might be doing home workouts, even just going for a walk. Like sometimes just going for a walk, getting fresh air can do so much for you, and when you're in that funk. And just also thinking about positivity, like whenever I get down in a funk, I always think of a time where I feel like I couldn't do something, or oh my gosh, like, you know, okay, let's use education for example. You know, when you're in high school, you've got a test coming up, you're thinking, oh my gosh, I can't do this, this is the hardest thing ever. You know, you revise, and at that time it's the hardest thing ever you are doing. Then give it a couple years later, you're in university or college and you're doing work that's even way harder than that time, about that one little test that you had. Things do get better. Whenever you feel like you can't do something, you can. You can do it, you can get out of funk, and just don't wallow in your self-pity. Like, you need to build yourself up. Ain't nobody else gonna build yourself up apart from you. So all in all, if you're feeling down, I definitely would recommend that you follow one of these tips. That honestly, they have helped me so much to build my confidence. They've helped me just in times when I feel down and sad. I have to get up and be active, because I can't allow myself to get swallowed, to just fall into that pit of darkness. You have to literally pull yourself up and just do something that's going to make you happy. Do something that is going to make you feel good about yourself, because you are good, you're amazing, you are phenomenal, you've got so much inside of you, so much potential. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that. So this video, I just hope that you guys can take this advice and take what I'm saying and implement it in your own life. Honestly, words of affirmation, speaking positivity about yourself, manifesting your dreams, manifesting your goals is a must. Listening to positive things in the morning and nighttime, just before you go to bed, and as soon as you wake up, just listening to those positive motivational videos will change your life. I'm telling you, try it out, it will change your life. Going to the gym, any type of physical activity or hobby, anything that's going to make you feel good, do it. So yeah, and then also friends, positive people around you, making sure that the people around you are people who are going to, you know, just make you feel good and not bring you down. People who are going to have positive things to say to you, positive things to contribute to your life. So important. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video now because I don't want it to be too long. I hope that you guys find this video useful. I hope that you can also implement this in your life. If you do follow any one of these tips, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if these are things that you already do in your life. Also, let me know other things that you do to uplift you, because there's so many different ways. So whatever it is, retail, therapy, anything, let me know in the comment section below what you guys do to uplift yourself. You know, the things that I've said are just things that I like and things that really have helped me, and they could seriously help you. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscription button down below, leave me a comment. Like I said, I really want to know what you guys do to uplift yourself, and if you are going to try any of these things, and if it helps you, leave it in the comment section down below. Anyway, until my next video, I will see you guys then. So bye.